Cruelty-Free Hair Care. Ginger Lily Farms Botanicals is PETA-certified, 100% vegan and never tested on animals, so you can feel good while using it. Environmentally friendly. Refill size helps reduce plastic consumption and is perfect for salon back bars or refilling shower dispensers in locker rooms, hotels, spas or at home. Ginger Lily Farms Botanicals. Moisturizing conditioners. Ginger Lily Farms Botanicals Conditioner smooths, restores and revitalizes dry hair with lasting moisture for incredibly soft, shiny hair. Formulated with aloe, flaxseed and sunflower seed to provide weightless hydration to all hair types. Our moisturizing conditioner works with your hair's natural oils to deeply penetrate every hair strand and improve the overall health, look and feel of your hair. Dry hair is instantly restored and revitalized. Tropical coconut mango and island tranquility scents. Naturally derived ingredients. Toxin-free formula. 100% vegan. Repairs dry hair. Suitable for all hair types. 1 gallon, 128 fluid ounces. Top reviews from the United States. Nice light scent. I use as a leave-in conditioner. Works great.